guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And if you're just passing through, welcome just the same. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get that two-line MACD. I always wanted that two-line MACD on your MetaTrader 4. So in this video, I'll be leaving that link in the description below so you can go ahead to that site and download. I'm going to make this video as detailed as possible. Guys, you don't want to miss this video. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the MACD, how to install it on your computer, and I will tell you, I'll just say how the MACD kind of works. Not going to give you any full details on that, because I don't want to give you anything that I don't know. So I'm basically going to tell you and show you guys what I know. So if you want to get your two-line MACD on your ordinary MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5, guys, stay tuned to this channel. You know, guys, if you find my content interesting, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, let me know how you feel, and also hit the notification bell so you won't miss anything that I post. Okay guys, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay guys, so as I said, welcome back. As I said, once you click on the link that I'm gonna put in the description below, the first thing you're gonna do is when you click on the link, it's gonna redirect you to this page. When the link redirects you to this page, you're gonna scroll down and click on where it says download two lines MACD indicator for MetaTrader 4 for free. When you click on that, it's gonna download right here, which I already did that. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in my folders, and I found it right here. So here we have it like 4 times, which yes, I downloaded 4 times, which that was not necessary. But anyways, we're gonna right click on that. And I don't want to click, I'm not going to click on open like that, but you guys can go ahead, because if I click on open, this MACD, this MACD is going to open with VLC media, and we do not want that. So I'm going to scroll all the way down where it says open, which is right here as well, open with WinWar. So, or Traverse, I'm going to click on that. And when we click on that, let's X this off. We don't want that. Here we have the MACD indicators with the two line. We're gonna go ahead and copy the file to clipboard. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go over to our MetaTrader 4 platform, whichever platform we're using. So let me go ahead and maximize this. And there we go. So we're gonna go over here where it says files. We're gonna go on open data folder. And once that's open, we're gonna go on where it said NQL4. We're gonna open that. We're gonna open where it says indicators, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on paste, and it's pasted at the bottom right here. So it's pasted into our MetaTrader 4. So we're gonna X that off, right? It's gonna appear right over here. So what we're gonna do after this is we're gonna X this out, because guys, we have to like close it and open it back to see for the indicator to show up. So we close it and we open it back, so it's loading to open. And guys, this is basically the two-line MACD, as I said before, and I understand that. I hope you guys understand how to use the MACD. So we're gonna go over here where it says indicators, and we're gonna scroll all the way down, and right here it is, right here, the MACD. So we don't want that one, we want this one with the two lines. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna left click on that, sorry guys, and we're gonna drag it over to the screen, and then we're gonna let it go. Now basically we can go ahead and adjust it if we want, and you know, place whatever we want. We can adjust it. We can remove all of these. We can remove the colors if we want. We can change the level, whatever we want to do with the MACD. But guys, I'm not gonna I will not be rearranging, or what should I say? I'm not. My English is so bad. Forgive me. I will not. I will not change anything. And we're gonna click on OK, and there's our MACD, our two-line MACD that everybody wanted so bad. And basically, because this chart is on the 4 hour, let's go down to the 1 hour. Why does it have to do this in the middle of the video? Close program. And I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna open it back. That was not good. We're gonna click on open. So once it opened, there it is on the 4 hour. Let's click on the 1 hour, the 30 minutes. Go back on the 1 hour, there it is. Go back on the 30 minutes, there it is. So guys, there's our MACD. We all should understand how the MACDs work. This is when it is getting weak for the buy, basically, and strong on a sell, getting weak on a sell. And we all know the MACD works with the line. You can change the color of the line if you want to. You can share the Instagram if you want to, or the 0 point. You can change anything you want in the MACD. So that, sorry guys. So guys, that's how you actually install the MACD on your computer. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything that I post. Drop a comment, and guys, I'll see you in my next one. And sorry about my English. I don't know why this happened to me sometimes, but I can speak English. Bye guys. I'll see you in my next video.